Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about advertising and Amazon KDP. So for those who don't know, Amazon KDP is basically a platform that allows you to publish book. All you have to do is just create the book in PDF form and then upload it to KDP according to their regulation. So different book might have different book cover sizing and then different book cover qualities, etc. So you're gonna go to Amazon KDP and search for a specific templates or a specific regulation for a book that you will want to create. And then once you're done creating your book, you can upload it to KDP, and then if they approve of your manuscript, they will be able to print it out and then distribute it for you. Now, since you will not be the one who handle the printings, etc., it's going to be a little bit tricky if you'll want to advertise your product. But don't worry, Amazon KDP actually offers you some marketing plan or some marketing tools that will allow you to advertise your book. So here, if you go to Amazon KDP, this is what you will see on the page. First, they're going to give you a page that allows you to create your book. So if you click on create, you'll be able to upload your book and then add up some details about your book and then start selling through there. And then if you go to this marketing sections right here, you'll be able to see a page that looks like this. So these are the advertising or the marketing tools that you can use in order to advertise your book. The first one, we have KDP Select. So KDP Select is going to be for ebook. It says here that you can enroll your ebook in Amazon's KDP Select program, and they're going to give you the opportunities to reach more readers and earn more money. You can earn a share of KDP Select Global Fund based on pages read by Kindle Unlimited customers. Enrolling in KDP Select also grants you access to a set promotional tools such as Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotion. So that is one of the Amazon ads or Amazon marketing tools that you can use in order to make your book even more well-known. And then they also have Amazon ads. So with Amazon ads, you'll be able to promote your KDP books. You can set your campaign budget and only pay when shopper clicks on your ad. So in order to use this, you're going to need to create a book, and not just any book, but you will need to create a book that is eligible for the ads. So if you click on this lines right here, they're going to bring you into a page that are going to show you what kind of books are actually going to be eligible for Amazon ads. So this is the Amazon ads for KDP books regulation. They have a bunch of stuff that are going to explain the kind of books that are going to be available for Amazon ads. For example, this one's right here says that you can create ads for books you publish through KDP, co-authored books, and book published outside of KDP. For KDP titles, ads are available in the US, CA or Canada, UK, Germany, Italy, Spain, France, and Australia. So you can go ahead and take a look at this page right here and see what kind of books are actually eligible for Amazon ads. Next, they have Author Central. So with Author Central, you can create and update your book page, claim titles to your author page to make your book eligible for new release notification to your followers. And then we have A+ content. With A+ content, you can add images, tags, and comparisons, tables to your product detail page to engage readers and give more information as they consider buying your book. So here are some of the marketing tools that you can use in order to advertise your book. You can read some more in Amazon's KDP Help Center, or you can just search for the Amazon KDP advertising, and then you will find this kind of pages. Now, I have tried to create some books. Unfortunately, it is a little bit hard to follow the rules, so I am not eligible yet to create an ads straightly from Amazon. Alright, so I just uploaded my book, and it says here that typically the review is going to take up to around 72 hours. So I am not eligible to put an ads on my book yet, but I do found a very interesting and helpful website about it, so I'm going to walk you through it briefly. Alright, so here you can see that once your book is accepted and it's done being reviewed, you'll be able to find a button that says promote and advertise. So you can go ahead and click on it. And then once you're done with that, you can choose on an ad campaign that you will want to run. And then you're going to want to select the campaign type. You have sponsored product, you have sponsored brand, you have lock screen ads. So it's just going to be a method of ads in which your book is going to be shown. And then you can start and choosing your ad format, either it's a custom text ad or a standard ad. So you can see right here. And then you can also settings on your ad group. So you can choose the ad group name, and then obviously you're going to want to select the book that you will want to promote. And in my case, it's going to be an ebook. So just like the one that is written here, the recommended format is going to be ebook. And you're going to want to set on your target. And this is going to be the target audience that you will want to set. You can set it on automatic targeting or in manual targeting. So with manual targeting, you're going to be the one who choose on, let's say, the age group and then the behavior of your customers. But with the automatic targeting, the Amazon KDP is going to be the one who reads what the book is about based on the category and the title that you have chosen when you are trying to publish your book earlier. And then after that, you also will be able to set a default bid and negative targeting. So negative targeting is basically a target that you will want to exclude from your group. For example, after you add the positive targeting, which means the people you want to reach, negative targeting is going to be the one that exclude the age group or maybe the behavior of the customers that you don't want to be targeted by the ads. For example, if you're creating a children's book, you might not want to add the age group of a teenagers on the group of people you want to target on your ads, and some things like that. And then last but not least, you're going to want to set on your campaign durations and budget. So you're going to be very wise on this part right here. You're going to want to set in the time and the budget for your ads. You don't want to strain it too much and ended up losing too much money on the ads. So make sure to be careful and set up the right durations and budget in order to advertise your book on Amazon KDP. Now that you know how to advertise your book on KDP, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can get your book proceed, whether it's an ebook or if it's a book that you would like to print. So here I got 2 books on my bookshelf. Both of them are actually the same books, but I just proposed them in 2 different kinds. The first one is an ebook and the second one is the paperback, which is the one that is going to be printed. Now I finally found a way to make the ebook one be able to be received, and that is by downloading the Kindle app from Amazon. So I've downloaded earlier, and its name is Kindle Create Installer.x. And then through that Kindle, you're going to be able to convert your PDF from PDF form into the needed KDP, which is the KPF form. So I didn't know that when you're trying to create an ebook on Amazon KDP, they only will receive the KPF form. So you can create that format by downloading the Kindle app, and I've got it installed into my PCs. And then after I export my PDF in the form of the KPF, I finally got my ebook accepted and in review. And the next one is going to be the one for printing. So you actually will need the calculator from KDP in order to create your ebook. So make sure you download that first before you start your design. I've already downloaded and used the format before I design my book, but I still come across some problem. So I'm going to show you the problem that I come across. So here in my preview, I'll be able to see on all of the images that has problem. So here are the number of images that has problem. For example, this first one's right here apparently got a problem with some things going out of the margin. And so does the second page. And then the fourth page. So I'm going to have to fix the error before I'll be able to publish it. That's why it is a little bit harder to get the one to be printed accepted than the ebook one. But once you get the hang of it, you can totally make money out of Amazon KDP, especially if you try on their advertisement. And that's basically it. That is how you can advertise your book on Amazon KDP. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.